friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Sally. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project. I hear it's about the disaster coin. I will share all that details. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. You can see all the details, all the videos I am sharing from where you can get a highest potential. This video is about educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. You can do your own research before investing in it. So here I will share with you about the inflation disaster which is going on, and you can see the world is collapsing, but a silent revolution is about to begin, and which is disaster coin. And you can see disaster coin is not just another coin. It is the most promising project of 2025, which has its own ecosystem called disaster, a complete ecosystem with RWA, social action, and what no one else offers. You can see staking that pays in Bitcoin directly to your wallet, and you can see a meme that revolutionized globalized disaster. You can see the first global disaster ecosystem, a unique revolution capable of helping a world while generating high volume for those who believe in the future. Be a part of the transformation. You can see it here. So now further I will share with you about their platform from where you can do here the stake, and it is a DSC token listed in the stake. You can see here the farm is given. You can connect it with your wallet, and after the connection you can see it here about the farm which is given here. You can go for a Sol, USDT, and all that. You can see you can withdraw, claim, and all that is given. You can even deposit. Here is option for the stake. You can touch on the stake option, and you can see this project is promising, and you can see that you can get in the stake. The more you can go here, the TVL is given, which is 415.52 dollars. APY is 168.41%, and DSC is given. You can see all that details. So now it is given, while many projects only promise, they have already delivered. You can see they have real donation to the disaster victims. You can see that videos from here. They have already changed lives, and let's do much more. And you can see the donation videos, real testimonials, and experts of the team on the field. You can see all that video. I will give that link in my video description. So their launch is getting ready, so you can go for that. You can see the launch is going on May 1. Disaster will be launched on PancakeSwap. The first one will profit high, the last one will watch the appreciation from outside. This is your chance to enter the most solid and transparent project of 2025. So now I will go back to the site and share with you the disaster, see the test, and understand the project. Participate in revolution, stake and receive Bitcoin, join the ecosystem, and be proud what you support. You can see convert crypto to DSC by the Pix swap. You can see it here, the white paper you can buy with the cryptonomic Pix. You can see it here. Here the contact address is given here. You can see all that details here, the first global, and you can copy that and be a part of it here. So you can see here the fundraise stage is given. You can see 100%, and in stage 2 they will go for the 100%, 0.001, and in stage 3 they will go for 100%, which is 0.003, and all that. So you can also join them on the Telegram too. So their live is given. You can go and join their active Telegram sold out phase. Their pre-sale is done. So you can see engage social networks here. So you can see disaster coin is basically the only one that has already started before launching. The CEO of the disaster coin has already started his first RWA action, where he will create his own brokerage focus on token launches and sale. How does the disaster B2B booster work? So you can see expansion of the real world, which is the RWA. So the CEO of disaster has already started RWA here, and he will create his own brokerage focus on token launches and sales. So you can see their media is given. You can watch them details on the media too. You can see they have low fee, which is 5% order supply, 1 million locked for 10 years. You can see the economic stock here. The roadmap is also given. All the broker profit will be invested directly in the disaster coin chart. And you can see a disaster does good really values and pays you in a Bitcoin. This is it's just the beginning. You can see the roadmap for their further things, and FAQs are given. You can see all that details. I shared that with you. So it is the best opportunity for all of you to go and work on it, stake and receive Bitcoin, join the ecosystem. You can do stake here, and you can go and stake, get the Bitcoin, join that ecosystem here, and be a proud what you support and their test and understand the project, participate in the revolution. So I share all that details. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.